Did you know one secret ingredient can make your sweet chili sauce taste even better than store-bought? 1 cup water, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/4 cup vinegar, 2 tablespoons red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon garlic, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon corn flour plus 2 tablespoons water, slurry, a pinch of salt. In a pan, add water, sugar and vinegar. Heat on medium flame. Once the sugar dissolves, add red chili flakes and chopped garlic. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes until aromatic. Now add the corn flour slurry and stir continuously until the sauce thickens. Cook for another minute until you get a glossy, smooth texture. Turn off the heat and now add 1 tablespoon honey. This is the secret ingredient that gives your sweet chili sauce a perfect shine and balanced sweetness. Subscribe for more quick recipes like this sweet chili sauce.